All right, you guys, welcome back. Still on Maddie's 77 Trans Am. What a cool car. Doing some upgrades to the rear braking system. Marcella, you want to catch us up on where we're at so far?
Yes. So we just put in the C-clips, the axles, the caliper bracket, and we are about to put in the caliper.
Yes. Now, this is an upgrade. Obviously, you can see Baer sent us something really cool. So it's the Baer Classic system. That's one piston caliper. But you can see it has the parking brake integrated into it. Obviously, the rotor is drilled, slotted, zinc plated. A little dirty right now, but we're going to address that in just a second. And we even went as far as to get a new master cylinder, because when you switch over from drum to disc brakes, this is a common mistake. People don't upgrade their master cylinder. More pressure required for disc brakes. So obviously, whenever you're going from drum to disc, you want to upgrade that master cylinder as well. Next steps, put in a little caliper, and probably want to clean that rotor, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Clean it with...
Yeah, for that, we got CRC. This is something new from CRC. Have you guys seen this? So you guys are aware of brake clean, but this is their foaming brake clean. It's kind of unique, kind of different. It's called a foaming brake wash. Well, this, as you'll see, you just spray it, it foams up, and you can see it slowly and gradually pull all that debris, all that grease, grime right off of it. You just wipe it off if you want. Man, it is awesome. It is cool stuff. So hit that up. You want to go ahead and take care of that since you have the gloves?
Absolutely.
All right, I'll get us a rag.